Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer. Anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $2.63 trillion. We're still hovering around that $2.6 trillion mark, even though we are down 1.4% in the last 24 hours. But if we're looking at the BTC dominance, we are currently sitting at 43.4%. BTC dominance does tend to be a little inaccurate on CoinGecko and on CoinMarketCap, but as of recording this video, we are currently sitting at 45.5% for BTC dominance. But if we are looking at the overall markets, like I mentioned, we are seeing some small retracement occur within the markets. As you guys can see in the last 24 hours, we're seeing some red across the board, and that is mainly due to the fact that Bitcoin has seen a small pullback occur, which we will get into later on in this video. But overall, guys, everything is looking extremely bullish still. Q4 is still been, absolutely amazing, and I believe this is just the absolute start. But today, guys, I want to look at none other than one coin, and that is Harmony One. Harmony One holders, the time is here, guys. The time is absolutely here. We have been talking about this for quite a while, and Harmony One has started moving just as high, just as I have anticipated. If we are looking at the Harmony One's price right now, guys, Harmony One is trading at 31.8 cents, guys. Newer all-time high set once again. 31.8 cents. Absolutely insane. 20.1%, it's up 20.1% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up 22.1% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Harmony One's, rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko has shot up quite high compared to 2 weeks ago, and we are currently ranked at top 56. Absolutely insane. Market cap right now is $3.4 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume has skyrocketed as well, and we're currently sitting at $585 million on that, and that has doubled over the past 2 to 3 days, and we'll take that. If we are zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, as I have mentioned before, Harmony One is by far one of the best performing crypto assets around the board. We are up 6,600%. In the last 30 days alone, we're up 102%. So absolutely insane gains being made, and I believe this is just the absolute beginning. But now let's get into the good stuff, the charts, and see what's exactly going on with Harmony One's price. If you guys watch my video just over here, guys, just a day ago, I mentioned the Harmony One is ready for a breakout, guys, and exactly that has happened, and we will definitely take that. As you guys can see, we were hovering around this 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level. We did have a spike up towards the upside. We saw us go all the way up to 27.9 cents. Had a retracement, but this previous all-time high played as a nice level of support for us. But since then, we saw the buying pressure kick in on our side, and we have seen Harmony One start moving towards the upside. And since then, guys, since just 2 days ago, we have seen Harmony One increase about 21.6%. My price target was 35 cents, and I still believe we will be able to reach that very soon. So if you're a Harmony One holder, guys, you are doing quite well right now, and Harmony One is doing something very interesting right now that no one is talking about. Let me explain as to what exactly that is and why it's extremely bullish. As I have mentioned, the month of October is very huge for Harmony One, and we are starting to see the momentum coming into Harmony One. I was talking for about like 2 to 3 weeks that Harmony One's charts are primed for a breakout, guys. It was primed for a breakout, and this is not coming as a surprise to me right now. But one thing I want to point out for you guys is this. You guys can see Bitcoin has seen a retracement occur. Obviously today is the weekend. We do need to keep that in mind. During the weekends, we do tend to see a lot of whale manipulation occur within the cryptocurrency space. So these kind of moves on the weekends, I take it with a grain of salt. But you guys can see Bitcoin has seen a retracement of about not 10% roughly from its all-time high. And right now, as of recording this video, this level of support at the $60,170 is playing as a level of support for us right now. But now comes the question that everyone wants to know: what is going to happen if we break below it? If we break below this level of support, guys, then obviously we will see the overall market somewhat be affected. But again, nothing to worry about in my personal opinion, because we have to look at the bigger picture, guys. We have to see how Bitcoin has come up about 60% just in over a month, just a little over a month, and 10% correction after that is very, very normal. But what does this have to do with Harmony One? First off, Bitcoin is a leading indicator. So whenever Bitcoin decides to have some sort of a small pullback occur within the space, the entire cryptocurrency market does get, somewhat negatively affected by that. But right now, one thing that we're seeing happening with the Harmony One's price is that we are not seeing, even though we're seeing a Bitcoin have some sort of pullback right now, and majority of the altcoins are being affected by that move, we're not seeing Harmony One affected by that. And that's the same exact case that we saw happen just 2 days ago when I made that video on Harmony One, where I said we are ready for breakout and we are about to see some newer all-time highs occur. That's the exact same thing happening. So what is going on now? We here at Crypto ZX channel, we look at all the possible scenarios, and right now what I'm thinking right now is happening is that we're seeing more and more people starting to realize what Harmony One really is. I have been talking that it is being slept on quite a bit. This project was being slept on, and even though it was being slept on, it still was making strides slowly and slowly. But now one thing that's different this time around is that I have seen on Twitter some of the biggest accounts on Twitter, like cryptocurrency, analysts, that have quite a bit of following. They are starting to talk about Harmony One. I'm not sure if you guys have noticed this as well, but now we're seeing that happen. And what is that going to happen? That is going to bring more FOMO into the project. So very, very exciting times ahead for Harmony One. Charts are still extremely bullish. I still believe Harmony One can pull off $1 this year alone. That is literally 3.5x away from here, guys. 3.5x away from here. Very, very possible. And considering, we are in Q4, markets are heating up. When momentum really starts to be on, our side, things can really start moving up. And especially for legitimate projects with real use case, without a doubt, I have been saying this for quite a while, Harmony One is one of them. And that's why we're seeing so much, hype building up into this project alone. But if you are looking at the BTC dominance, guys, BTC dominance is still sitting at this 45%, but this number could shoot up as soon as Bitcoin decides to say, you know what, let's start heading towards newer all-time highs. That could mean for altcoins that we could see some more sideways momentum occur. But as of now, we're seeing Harmony One have no impact whatsoever on Bitcoin's price. And that is a very, very bullish thing to keep in mind, guys. Very bullish. That means traction is on our side. So, when things really start heating up, we could really move up very, very fast. Right now, still, my target is at this 35 cents. As I have mentioned in my previous video, we might see a small retracement occur if we get to that level, but we will see what happens. But long-term perspective, I could definitely see Harmony One above $1 very, very easily. Like I have mentioned, we have everything for it to succeed right now. We have, the overall time we're in right now. We're in the Q4. Q4 does tend to be the most bullish time around for the cryptocurrency space. It's a huge month for Harmony One as well. And one thing to keep in mind that no one should be ignoring is this number over here, guys. This 24-hour trading volume. This has literally more than doubled over the past 2 to 3 days, literally. So that should just show you the money is flowing into Harmony One. Hype is building up, so things could really start getting very exciting. We just need to have patience. But if you're in for the long haul, guys, I know a lot of Harmony One supporters here. You guys are in for the long haul. You do not care about like if it reaches $1. you guys think that it could take over, be one of the biggest projects in the next 2 to 3 years. If that's the case, guys, then holding your Harmony One without earning nothing would not be the best possible scenario, in my opinion. If I were you, if you guys don't know, Harmony One is a proof of stake consensus, so you could stake your Harmony One and earn passive income as time goes by. So your holding will get only bigger because it compounds. So right now, as you guys can see, Harmony One is ranked top 23rd on the overall staking reports, so the most staked asset. And this Harmony One is gaining up in this rank as well. So this really shows you guys where we're headed to. And right now, 41.88% of the circulation supply is being staked right now. And this number I only expect to get bigger as time goes by, as Harmony One gains more and more hype. This number is only going to get up even more. But that is it for today's update, guys. Let me know in the comment section below, what are you guys doing right now? And if you guys are enjoying these videos on Harmony One. So far, you guys have been killing it with the support, guys. I love each and every one of you guys. Remember, I do this for you guys, and I will always bring these kind of videos for you guys, no matter what. I care about you guys, and I will never ever, come here and spread fake, hope or fake projects, because I put myself in your guys' shoes, because I care about each and every one of my viewers. So always remember that if you're a day one supporter of mine, you can already vouch for me on that statement. I get tons and tons and tons of emails, to have partnerships with X and Y coin, to promote it. But if I don't believe in it, I will never ever promote anything, because I care about each and every one of you guys. If it was for money, then you guys know I would be, having partnerships left and right. So it really does mean to me, with all your support that you guys show me. Please keep supporting me. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. This is all I ask for, and this means the world to me. Road to 20,000 subscribers, and then 100,000 subscribers, and I know Crypto ZX family can get to that very, very soon. Yeah, stay safe out there, guys, because at the end of the day, safety is the most important thing, and everything else absolutely comes later. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.